people brush their teeth every single day, but very few people actually brush them the right way. In fact, brushing incorrectly can cause bad breath, cavities, and even gum damage without you realizing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to brush your teeth properly, step by step, using a simple dentist-approved method that takes just 2 minutes. If you want healthier teeth and fewer dental problems, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Brain step 1. Why proper brushing matters. Your mouth holds millions of bacteria. If plaque isn't removed daily, it hardens into tartar, which brushing alone can't remove. Poor brushing habits are the main reason people experience cavities, yellow teeth, bleeding gums, bad breath, the good news. Fixing your brushing technique can prevent most of these problems. Step 2. Choose the right toothbrush. First, you need the right toothbrush. Dentists recommend a soft bristle toothbrush, a small head to reach back teeth. Manual or electric, both work if used correctly. Hard bristles may feel like they clean better, but they can damage your enamel and gums. Step 3. Use the right amount of toothpaste. More toothpaste does not mean cleaner teeth. Use a pea-sized amount for adults. Fluoride toothpaste for cavity protection. Too much toothpaste creates excess foam and causes people to brush too quickly. Step 4. The correct brushing technique. This is the most important part. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle toward your gums. Use gentle, circular motions, not aggressive back and forth scrubbing. Follow this order. Outer surfaces. Inner surfaces, chewing surfaces. Spend at least 30 seconds on each section. Remember, brushing harder does not clean better. Step 5. Brush for the right amount of time. You should brush your teeth for 2 full minutes, twice a day. Most people stop after 30 to 45 seconds. Using a timer or electric toothbrush can help you stay consistent. Step 6. Don't forget your tongue. Your tongue holds odor-causing bacteria. After brushing your teeth, gently brush or scrape your tongue. Move from back to front. Rinse your mouth thoroughly. This single step can dramatically improve your breath. Step 7. Common brushing mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes. Brushing too hard. Skipping nighttime brushing. Using an old toothbrush. Rinsing immediately after brushing. Tip: spit out excess toothpaste, but wait 30 minutes before rinsing for better fluoride protection. Final tips and conclusion. Brushing your teeth properly doesn't take extra time, just better technique. Small daily habits create long-term results. Healthier teeth, stronger gums, fresher breath, more confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it.